In this nugget, we're going to look at the fundamental states of matter and the characteristics of them. A state of matter is a distinct form in which matter can exist. There are 4 states of matter that are observable in everyday life. They are solids, such as a table or a pair of scissors, liquids, such as water or blood, gases, such as the air inside a balloon, or steam when a kettle is boiling, or plasmas, such as lightning, and neon signs. Have a look round the room. How many solids, liquids, gases and plasmas can you see? What makes a solid, or a liquid a liquid? How would you describe them to someone else? Solids are hard. You can pick them up. They're difficult to change shape. You can't change the shape of a table, but they can be cut or moulded like Play-Doh. Solids cannot be squished. They always take up the same amount of space. Even modelling clay will always have the same volume if you mould it into something else. Imagine pouring yourself a glass of water. Water is a liquid. Liquids can flow. This means that they can change shape easily. Liquids always stay at the bottom of the container that they are in. Liquids always take up the same volume. So if you pour 50 milliliters of water from one container to another, there will still be 50 milliliters of water. Liquids cannot be squashed. If we push down on a liquid in a tight space, like a syringe, we cannot make it smaller. Most gases are invisible. There is oxygen in the air we breathe, the helium in our balloons, and the carbon dioxide that plants need to grow. Gases can be squashed. If we put them in a syringe, we can make their volume smaller. Gases spread out. If we pour them from one container to another, they will take up as much space as they can. They will expand, get bigger to fill the space, like a smell spreads across the room or water vapour from a kettle. Like gas, plasma does not have a definite shape or volume, so they fill the space provided. Plasmas are electrically conductive and produce magnetic and electric fields. The plasma state, although not freely existing under normal conditions on Earth, is quite commonly generated by either lightning, electric sparks, plasma televisions, fluorescent lights, and neon lights. Stars like our Sun are all examples of illuminated matter in the plasma state. So let's compare these properties in a table. Solids are hard. Liquids are not hard. Gases are also not hard, and neither are plasmas. Can it flow? Solids cannot flow. Liquids, gases, and plasma can all flow. They are called fluids. Can it be squashed? Solids cannot be squashed. Liquids also cannot be squashed. Gases and plasmas can be squashed. Do they have a constant volume? Solids do have a constant volume. So do liquids. Gases and plasmas do not because they fill the space provided. In summary, a state of matter is a distinct form in which matter can exist. There are 4 fundamental states of matter that are observable in everyday life on Earth: solids, liquids, gases, and plasmas. Keywords: flow, the ability to move; squashed, changing shape due to a force being applied;